Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the Unfocused. It's focused now. Welcome to the Focused vlog. It's my big day! So, if you've been following the vlog for the last while, you know I've been on a hell kick. And you know that Christmas Eve is a day off from the hell kick. As is tomorrow, as is Stephen's Day, the 26th. And yesterday, 2 slices of pizza. But anyway, we're gonna rock this.
Merry Christmas!
Anyway, it's 8:23, I'm wearing a hat. And I'm about to make breakfast. Some of this stuff I haven't had this in a long time. I've been waiting for this. So, for breakfast, we're doing the full Irish thing except tomatoes, because that's weird. Nobody has tomatoes in the fry. If you do, you're weird. But we're doing sausage, egg, bacon, toast, pudding. I'm gonna cook it all in Coke. Because it's Christmas, we said we'd do a little bit of a challenge. I said that we'd do a little bit of a challenge, just myself and Jar. She's the bigger Facebook user than me. So, we're going to remove Facebook off of both phones.
Ooh, for how long?
Until the 27th.
Oh, it's on!
There's a big gap in my life.
That's it. Anyway, they're gone. How do you feel now that it's gone? You can't look at the web version, like. You can't look at the web version.
I didn't know you could look at the web version. Can you look at the web version?
I should.
First.
I should have said nothing. Anyway, onwards with Christmas Eve, wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Whether that's like Christmas Eve is over, which probably is by the time you're watching this. Anyway, happy Christmas, to be politically correct. Happy holidays, but whatever. Hope you're having a good one. We're doing what any insane person would do over Christmas Eve right about now. We've warped ahead slightly since breakfast. And that is go out. City or a shopping mall. Or wherever, just because it's Christmas Eve and we're rocking Christmas jelly beans. I've missed sugar. No, I haven't really. I couldn't even sup. So I couldn't even sup apple juice just to feel sweet. And these things are like, but we'll struggle through, I'm sure. Anyway, come along for this festive frolic of fun, fancy, and insanity. My wife's in a bit of traffic since I said there's a huge queue for the car park. Every place else is quiet though.
Anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting.
Will I park it? I'll park it if you want. Just gonna lose the mirror here, I'd say.
Like frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase.
We've come to Cockfull. We've come here every year since me was born on Christmas Eve, so we said, why not leave the tradition die? What did you order? Ribs, burger, something, burger. I hope Dave isn't watching this. We're talking about the food. This is my day off, right? And tomorrow. Anyway, you hungry boy? We're ready to eat.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
How are you getting home, buddy? Well, what's the crack?
Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry.
This has long been a Christmas tradition to come into the city centre on Christmas Eve since I was a kid, and we're doing it with these two. Every year at the Brown Thomas window in Cork or around the country, it always does great things because they put it up in like July. But it's really accurate. Really, really true to life because there's owls,
Rabbits.
there's baby bunnies for their dinner. So we've warped home and all that's left to do now really is get some cookies for Santa, which we've got in a bag over there. Put out a table, give the man a drink, get some carrots, which I just realized we don't have, so we gotta go buy carrots. And that's it. And everybody goes to bed and we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed Santa comes. Anyway guys, that is it for today. It's Christmas Eve. I'm gonna sign out of here that a little bit early because kids, family, la la la. And we'll see can we get a vlog up tomorrow. And until then, have yourself a great Christmas. And even if you're not into Christmas, don't stress. It ain't worth the stress and hassle. Trust me, I know it's not worth the stress and hassle. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's vlog. If you have, then hit the subscribe button. We would love it if you would. And we will see you on the next one. And until then, Happy Christmas! Merry Christmas! Happy Holidays! And don't stop fighting for yourself.